What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you on cryptocurrency streaming. Guys, today I wanted to talk about Bitcoin and Electroneum. Definitely some amazing projects. And guys, if you don't know me, I'm a professional leverage instructor and trader, and I make my living day trading cryptocurrencies with some ultimate efficiency, guys. If you want to discover financial freedom, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below. And if you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and guys, I am going to dive right into the price action. And for those of you who want the additive edge in trading, I literally change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market. So for instance, October 4th even, for those of you who missed my last video, on the Bitcoin price, I said that we were extremely bullish. Guys, here's the 4th right here, and bam, we've been moving up ever since. Even if you just caught my Twitter post, you could be up almost 15% with 10x leverage. That's over 150%, guys. Some massive gains. Make sure that you're following me on my socials straight away. And if you want to get specific coin requests, you have to be a member. All right, guys, let's start off with Bitcoin. Just some amazing times in the Bitcoin price. My gosh, guys, this is just amazing. I love when the coins are pumping and doing exactly what I predict, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. We definitely had a few patterns within patterns that played out right here. Let's just talk about the smaller ones at the moment. Okay, we're going to make these a nice light yellow. And guys, easy stuff right here. A nice little descending wedge. Or you could even actually call this a flag, okay? And the reason we call it a flag, guys, is because we've had a total flipping of the EMAs back here. Okay, that means a continuation move is possible. Measure it as a flag. So from, geez, it goes all the way back down to here almost. Okay, to the point of breakout. And guys, you'll notice we're already hitting that target right now. Okay, now what I want you guys to actually do in this moment is notice the stotch. Okay, notice the stotch is unloaded. We're thinking about crossing down back into green zones. We could be getting a little bit of sideways motion in combination with the volume going down here. Remember, we just had the volume spike right here. That means we're going to kind of go sideways, retest the 7, maybe even the 20. That's where you can maybe be looking for position, but watch for opposing volume coming in to push it down even more, maybe to the 55, which will coincide right with the trend. Okay, but we do have a lot of bullish sentiment right now, guys. That's what I was talking about in my last video, and for those of you who missed it, go right over here, Electroneum new pattern found. And then right down here at the bottom, I say Bitcoin and what's to come, bullish favor. Okay, guys? And we've been really moving up ever since. Okay? When I find indication plays in the price action, I'll try to give you guys as much warning as I can. Remember, this is what I do all day. If you guys aren't making the gains you deserve, watch my channel. Sign up for the program if you're not picking it up that way. And guys, even with specific coin requests, just become a member, guys. Little additive edges are going to give you every bit of success in this field. Okay, every little bit of help really does help. Okay, so again, let's just zoom out and look at the bigger picture here. Okay, and we are putting in a newer high right now, guys. This is really good news. As soon as we break 59, we are in an amazing place. Okay, that's a really good sign. And then if we can actually break the previous top, guys, you know what happens when we break tops. We have continuation. Okay, that's happened almost religiously since the beginning of time. It's not a reality that we're going to miss that in this case. Okay, so for instance, notice walking down. We just started to walk back up, guys. That's what I was talking about in my last video. We're starting to do that. Let's see if we can hold this, break some of these resistances coming up. We're just about to get to them, and watch for opposing volume. For instance, we get a little bit of rejection. We could pull back. Look for those retracement buys around the 55, 100, or 200 based on volume, guys, okay? And if you don't know how to do all those readings, guys, that's exactly what the student program's for. Get signed up straight away. And watch for this to really develop. For instance, go down to the 15-minute. We're already potentially working with a descending, tightening wedge here, okay? So we could get a little breakout out of this, play the resistance and or support, and then use wedge theory for the target projection from the back to the point of potential breakout either way. Okay, use those measurements accordingly. We're looking at 53,582, and that'll coincide right with the 55, or a breakup, and we're talking, what is that up there? 56,869. Okay, guys, you get the idea. It's exactly what I'm looking at in Bitcoin. Guys, let's jump over to Electroneum. Some amazing times going on Electroneum, and let's be real. The channel I've put out for you guys is holding true days in, which is very nice. Lots of patterns within patterns here, guys. And if you don't understand patterns within patterns, join the student program and get that into your head expediently. Okay. Remember, the student program is just a process of which I've taken 10 to 15 years to learn, expedited in under a year for you guys. If you don't have a year to learn the technicals, guys, maybe trading isn't for you. But here's what we're looking at right now. Okay, so we had a brief moment of oversold territory there. Okay, for instance, we were, just dipping down, retouching resistances here. A little over there for a minute. Then we got the indication play punching right back up, retesting the resistance right there, guys, and we're kind of running into a little bit of chop. For instance, the Stotch is still in green zone, looking like it's going to be peaking down a little bit. We do have that decrease in volume, so a move might come pretty soon, guys. Now, with descending wedges, they do tend to break to the upside. Okay, so we do have a potential this could actually happen like that. So we're going to use the measurement from the back, okay, to the point of potential breakout to get this target projection here. And if you notice, the target projection basically reaches up to top resistance. Okay, very close. And then same thing with the bottom. This one goes a little farther down, guys, but you get the idea here. 0.0166. Okay, guys, so definitely some cool things to work with right here. Make this trade a reality for yourself. And in simplicity, guys, we break resistance, look for a long. We break support, look for a nice little short, guys. And again, let's just zoom out on Electroneum here. We have a lot of bullish sentiment here. Look at this immediate trend. I mean, guys, this is great. We're looking really good. Okay, we're looking really good here. A couple brief moments, overbought and oversold territory, but in general, guys, this is reigning true for the short term. We're holding it, okay, guys? Until we break the 200, we are still bullish, okay? And we are leaning up on the bigger time frames. That means a little bit of, I'm expecting a little bit of a breakout to the upside here, okay? That's just what I'm reading in the technicals. And notice the volume spike. What happens after the volume spike, guys? Right here, bam. Right here, bam. Right here, this is a big one. Bam, guys. Look at this. We are going to get these moves, okay? This move is coming, guys. I want you to get your bags ready. In the next video, for those of you watching on Electroneum, let me know how you did in this trade. This is an easy one, guys. And what I want you to do indication-wise is play the EMAs, play the Bollinger Bands, the Stotch, even rotate the MACD if you want that last-minute confirmation, guys. And let's be real, if you don't understand designations yet, you guys really owe it to yourself to try to learn, okay? Remember, if you don't know how to do something, you can't actually replicate it. It won't happen, okay? You're just kind of wasting your own time, okay? So, like, for instance, if you're thinking about joining the student program right now, we still do have a 100% success rate. Everyone is crushing it. I think we've only had like 4 people drop out. And guys, I don't consider them a failure. They didn't lose any money. They can come back when they want. Okay, and if they decide to, I'll be here. Okay, and yes, guys, I'm not going to be teaching forever, but it's looking like I'm finding ways to keep absorbing and taking more students, especially with the student instruction program heading our way. The data center coming up, guys. We have so many cool things. Maybe even a little society someday. Me and my friends are joking about I should just buy a big plot of land and do some cool things, guys. Some epic times ahead. I could not be prouder of everything that I've done here. The program itself at this point is a self-fulfilling prophecy. It wasn't me making money that did this. It was everyone in the program doing it. And my gosh, I know so many people that watch the channel right now which are really thinking about it. Guys, this message is to you right now. The hardest part about my program is getting started. Once you get started, making money is fun. It's a process. Yeah, there's time that you have to dedicate to make this a reality. But guys, if you can even replicate to a D level, you're going to be making some serious cash. Okay? You want more time with your families? That's how you do it. You want more time with things that you enjoy as a passion? This is how you do it. You want bigger gains than your supposed professionals? This is how you do it. Okay? And before you know it, you're going to look like a savant among your family, making so much money. With the infancy stages of a currency, guys, it's almost readily apparent that you can make a boatload of it, guys. And just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.